Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the BMW 2002 and this is by Hotwheels from the Neon Speeder series. I bought it for $299, which is the MRP. And this is a full metal casting because this is really heavy and I can able to feel that, you can see that as well. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. You can see some paint chipping here. I don't know, from where it came. Okay, that's being just being hard, metal being metal. Okay. Okay, now that is heavy. Okay, so out of the box, there's a lot of dust particles. I don't know how. So out of the box, the casting looks really solid and it's really beautiful. You can see the interior here. So let's see the headlights. Okay, it does have headlight details, but it's misaligned. I mean, as usual. I mean, even the BMW logo here, which is misaligned. I mean, it has tail light details as well. At least this looks a bit better. And the entire car is metal body, metal chassis. I'm really happy that they actually went with that. Okay, the livery looks very simple. If you ask me, it is not too flashy or anything like others had. So the rims, it is kind of a gray color, but I'm not sure. Maybe while we see it under the UV light, I think it might change color, I guess. So we need to wait and see for that. And that is a solid casting. I mean, if they do this, for 299, that instead of the 549 premiums, this would sell out really easy. Okay, let me. It's 50 grams. It's 50 grams. That is closer to the premiums which we normally see. Okay, let's do a roll test. It doesn't roll really well. Let's try one more time. It does have wheel wobble on both wheels. So given that this casting is really heavy, I was hoping that it would jump out of the track, because literally others rolled really well compared to this one. Maybe not the Toyota, but rest everything rolled really well. But this one doesn't. So as a casting, I love this one. It is full metal and it looks really beautiful and it looks really compact as well. And I'm hoping, since it's fluorescent green, I'm hoping that it would shine a lot even compared to the Mosta which we unboxed. So let's do that now. I don't want to waste any time. I'm really curious to see how this one is going to glow. Okay, let's turn off all the lights. Okay guys, I'm just going to turn off the light now. Let's see. Wow, that looks so beautiful. You can see that pops really right out of the screen. And that looks absolutely gorgeous. I mean, the livery is not really good because it's just solid color, but even though that fluorescent color is, I mean, it is kind of a solid color, but it's a reflective color and it does its job really well. I mean, that looks absolutely beautiful. I mean, I would put this Mazda and you know what is the other, Honda Prelude. So these three in a range, because these three looks so beautiful. I'm really hoping that I would do a thumbnail for all these cars with this light on instead of doing over normal light. So let's see. So with that said, that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.